All right, y'all, we are out here testing the Team Corrali Python on 6S. So I am using a new Hovo 6S 5200 milliamp LiPo. It is a little bit of a tight fit, but with some adjustments, you can really get it to stay up in there. You guys see the way it sits up in there. It sits pretty good. So I'm gonna make some adjustments to that battery tray, and I'll let you guys know to make sure we can get these batteries to fit up in there, because we do need bigger battery trays or some big batteries that fit inside these cars. And 52 is probably about the biggest you can fit up in there without it looking all awkward with the body and stuff. Sitting up high on the left side and stuff. You guys kind of know what I mean with that. So anyway, we are testing this stock out the box. I did change the punch settings from 3 up to 5 because I did want to see what kind of speeds we're going to get with this. So we do have the GPS catching. You guys see there, 2 miles per hour. Hopefully he won't act up. I might have to press down on him to get him to catch, but make sure he is catching real quick before we take this on down for a run. And I did turn the voltages up from 6.0 to, yep, it's catching, from 6.0 to 7.4. So, yeah, one thing about Team Corrali, their cars are fast. Can't nobody take that from them. Remember, this is stock out the box, no gear changes. Now, I do have a spool for this, and I do have some better tires coming too. It's going good. So I got a 35 tooth and also a 42 spool. This thing is kicking. That I'm gonna be testing with this soon. This area is good for about 80 miles per hour. So I don't think we'll get 80 when we add that spool in there. We had that spool in there. Definitely be going to one of the bigger areas. So let's see what we got real quick. Oh, look at that, 57 miles per hour, almost 60. So let's take it on back down. Let's see if we can get, we should be able to get 58 at least, maybe 60, I don't know. 3 miles is gonna be a lot to get. All right, let's bring this on back down. And I do have a 46 tooth spur gear, so I'll probably put that in there and test it, and then I'll go up to the spool, probably the 35 and the 40, to see what kind of speeds we get with that. So we are still at 57. I'm gonna try this one more time, y'all. Here's a guy coming through with this kid on something, so. All right, take this back down one more time. All right, we gotta try to get 58. Let's see if we can do it. All right, bring this on back down. This guy is all the way over here, so we good. All right, let's see. I think we beat 57. Let's check it out and see. I don't think we did, but it definitely gets there really quick. So we definitely have room to gear it up. So we are still at 57, so that's good. Stock out the box, 57 miles per hour with the punch setting on 5 instead of 3. And like I said, we got some, I think these are 80C LiPos. Matter of fact, let me show you guys real quick. 80C LiPos that are in here. I think they're 80C. See how that kind of sticks up right there? I'm gonna have to make a slight adjustment for that, which is gonna be no problem. But 60C, look at that. So we're going 57 on some 60C 5200 milliamp LiPo. So definitely has potential. I didn't bring my temp gun with me, but motor is kind of hot there. But that's pretty good, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna actually put the spool and stuff in here. I'm probably gonna do the 46 tooth first, and then I'm gonna go with the 42 spool, and then I'm gonna go with the 35 tooth spool. I definitely need to get some other tires. The Hoons are gonna be a smaller tire compound, so we'll see kind of how that goes with that and how that runs. But I do wanna try it with some large tires. So if you guys know of some, let me know. I think Proline's got some, but we'll see how that kind of rolls out. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.